Installing a new door can make a significant impact on your home's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. But choosing the right door installation service is crucial to ensure you get the best results. With so many options in Birmingham, finding the best service can feel overwhelming. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you identify a reputable door installation service that meets your needs and delivers excellent value. Start with referrals and recommendations. Word-of-mouth recommendations are one of the best ways to find a trusted door installation service in Birmingham. Ask friends, family, neighbors, and colleagues if they've recently worked with a door installer and how their experience was. Hearing first-hand accounts can provide insight into a company's professionalism, punctuality, quality of work, and customer service. Additionally, check online reviews and ratings on platforms like Google, Yelp, or the Better Business Bureau. Pay attention to recurring themes in the feedback, such as punctuality, attention to detail, and professionalism. High ratings and positive customer experiences are often a strong indicator of reliable service. Verify licensing and insurance before hiring any door installation service. Ensure the company is licensed and insured. A valid license demonstrates that the service provider adheres to local regulations and industry standards. Insurance protects you and the company against potential damages or accidents that may occur during the installation process. Don't hesitate to ask for proof of licensing and insurance, as reputable companies will readily provide it. This simple step can protect you from unforeseen expenses and ensure that the job is done according to established codes and safety standards. Look for experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to door installation. A company that has been in the business for several years is more likely to have the skills and knowledge needed to handle various types of doors, including entry, patio, interior, and custom doors. Ask about the types of doors they have installed in the past and whether they specialize in the type of installation you need. Experienced installers can also anticipate and overcome common challenges, such as irregular door frames or unique design needs. Their expertise ensures a smooth installation process with minimal disruption to your home. Evaluate product selection and quality. The best door installation services in Birmingham offer a wide range of high-quality doors from reputable manufacturers. When choosing a service provider, ask about the materials, styles, and brands they carry. From wood and fiberglass to steel and glass options, having a diverse selection ensures you can find a door that matches your home's style, budget, and functional needs. High-quality doors not only enhance your home's appearance but also improve energy efficiency, security, and longevity. Work with a service that prioritizes durable products and offers expert recommendations tailored to your specific requirements. Assess their installation process. Understanding the company's installation process can help you make an informed decision. Ask about their approach, from initial measurements and consultations to final inspections. A reputable service should provide a clear timeline, explain what to expect during the process, and detail how they handle cleanup and disposal of the old door. Good installers prioritize precision and attention to detail, ensuring the door fits securely, seals properly, and operates smoothly. They should also offer post-installation support in case any issues arise after the job is completed. Request detailed estimates before choosing a door installation service. Request a written estimate that outlines the costs of materials, labor, and any additional services. This transparency allows you to compare quotes from different providers and avoid surprises later on. Be wary of companies that offer extremely low prices, as they may cut corners on quality or lack the necessary expertise to deliver a long-lasting installation. A detailed estimate reflects the company's professionalism and commitment to clear communication, which are essential qualities for a successful project. Ask about warranties and guarantees. Reputable door installation services stand behind their work and offer warranties on both the products and their labor. This provides peace of mind knowing that if issues arise after installation, they will be addressed promptly. Ask about the warranty terms and coverage to ensure you're fully protected. The best companies go the extra mile to ensure customer satisfaction, offering guarantees that reflect their confidence in the quality of their work. Prioritize customer service. Excellent customer service can make the entire process smoother and more enjoyable. From the first consultation to the final installation, the company should be responsive, courteous, and attentive to your needs. Pay attention to how they communicate, whether they answer your questions thoroughly, and how well they understand your vision. A company that prioritizes customer satisfaction is more likely to go the extra mile to ensure you're happy with the results. Final thoughts. Trust the experts for a job well done. Finding the best door installation service in Birmingham doesn't have to be difficult. By focusing on experience, licensing, product quality, and customer service, you can ensure a seamless, stress-free installation process. Choose a reputable company that values precision and professionalism, and you'll enjoy a beautiful, functional door that enhances your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appeal for years to come. Trusting the experts means peace of mind and a lasting investment in your home's value.